What is the number one quality I look for when hiring an executive assistant? I need someone that is OCD when it comes to organization. If I can find an executive assistant that is process-oriented, that is OCD about having everything in place. Organization is everything, and I think a lot of times with CEOs and founders, they're all over the place, they're scattered, and that's why they get an executive assistant. That's a quality that is just so paramount to your success as a founder and also the success of the assistant. Are they obsessive about organization? If they are, it's a good starting point.